Welcome back. It's now time for Midday Sports.
Reggae Boys head coach Steve McLaren says Tuesday night's performance against Guatemala should be the minimum standard for the team going forward. The Jamaicans turned in a dominant display as they rode over the Guatemalans 3-0 in their Zone E World Cup qualifier at the National Stadium. Jonathan Russell in the 27th and 2 goals from Arnett Garn striker Warner Brown in the 37th and 68th minutes gave the Jamaicans a 4th straight win in the group, which sees them end top on maximum 12 points. It was also an improved performance from their 1-0 win over the British Virgin Islands on Saturday. McLaren says Tuesday's win was an all-round team performance.
I'm delighted we finished top, and as I say, I think certain individuals came to the fore, and I said to the players, now that's the standard that we want every game, and if we get that, we've got a chance of winning football matches. So, highly satisfactory.
The two teams are set to clash again on June 16 in their opening match of the 2025 CONCACAF Gold Cup. Outgoing chairman of the Professional Football Jamaica Limited, Chris Williams, has played down suggestions he's been forced out of the organization. Williams, who only a few months ago was returned as chairman by virtue of a 7-5 vote at the PFJL's general meeting, tendered his resignation, with a letter emerging over the weekend. With rumors of a potential no-confidence vote against him impending, Williams, in an interview with TVJ Sports, says his decision to resign was a personal one.
At the end of the day, my family and I are building our future, and we need to refocus on business at this time. So the decision has nothing to do with football or PFJL.
Williams is, however, open to working with the PFJL as an ambassador with focus on driving global revenue. West Indies head coach Darren Sammy has seemingly questioned the commitment of the current generation of cricketers, while also suggesting that more players will soon follow the route of Nicholas Pooran in retiring from international cricket at an early age. In his first comment since 29-year-old Pooran announced his international retirement, Sammy mentioned the likes of greats Sir Clive Lloyd and Vivian Richards and the pride with which they represented the Caribbean. He, however, says he cannot force players to have the same passion.
It is up to us, each individual, to understand what the brand and the crest means, right? And come out and play a brand that those people that come and travel 3 hours to watch you play because of what the crest means to them. It's up to each player to go out and put in that type of passion out there. I could only speak about it, but I can't force anybody to do it. So just like I can't tell anybody when to call time on the career, when to call time on the career, when to play for West Indies, it's a personal choice.
Finally, Manchester High and St. Elizabeth Technical High School will contest the final of the Acer Rural Era Under-14 basketball competition after semi-final wins on Tuesday. Stets defeated Knox College 45-39, with Alger Levy scoring a game-high 20 points. Manchester booked their place through a 36-27 victory over Old Harbour High. And that's it for your Midday Sports. I'm Renata Brown.
And that's the Midday News package. I'm Kerry-Ann Simpson. Join us at 7 for Primetime News. On behalf of the news, sports, and production teams, good afternoon.